Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open FL Studio Mobile and create a new project at 44, 100 HZ and 16-bit. Create an audio clip track and prepare it for import or recording. Choose a low buffer for near-zero monitoring and use 3, 5 mm headphones. Name the track clearly so you can automate it later. Save the project immediately to avoid losing changes. Keep the mixer visible to route effects and control levels for the forthcoming TTS audio. Use a TTS app or device speech engine to generate your narration as a WAV file. Export at 44, 100 HZ and 16-bit, mono or stereo depending on your project. Trim leading and trailing silence and normalize the file to about -3 dB for headroom. Transfer the WAV to your device and import it into the FL Studio mobile audio clip track. Snap the clip to the project grid so timing stays consistent. Duplicate takes if you need alternate phrasing or timing variations. Route the TTS clip to a mixer track and add an EQ plugin. Cut low frequencies below 120 Hz and gently boost around 3K Hz by about +3 dB for vocal clarity. Add a compressor with roughly 3:1 ratio and threshold near -12 dB to control peaks. Insert a de-esser if sibilance appears and a short reverb with 35% size and 20% wet for space. Automate a 4-bar volume fade and export the final mix at 44, 100 HZ WAV for delivery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.